What if I told you there's just one jacket that can make you look sharp, stylish, and put together without any effort? A jacket so versatile, it works in any situation. It's an essential piece in every stylish man's wardrobe. It's called the Navy Blazer, the undisputed king of jackets. Why? Because when styled right, it elevates your outfit. You feel sharper and more confident. If you're the kind of guy who wants to look sharp without overthinking what to wear, this is the one jacket you need. But how do you actually style it? I've put together 4 outfits that prove just how easy it is. Let's get into it. First up, we have a single-breasted navy blazer with black mother-of-pearl buttons. It's made from a high-twist wool, giving it a slightly textured, tweed-like touch. Perfect for relaxed, smart casual outfits. I've paired it with white jeans. Now, if you're hesitant about white jeans, hear me out. They're incredibly versatile and create the perfect contrast against a navy blazer. For the shirt, I went with a chambray shirt. Its subtle texture and different shades of blue keep the look casual yet polished. Button-down or linen shirt would work just as well. This outfit is perfect for a modern man who wants to look sharp without looking too formal. It's clean, tailored, and stylish. Next up, let's talk about the easiest way to wear a navy blazer. Dark jeans, button down. Throw on a navy blazer. This outfit proves that you don't need to overthink style. The jeans add contrast through casualness, and the blazer pulls everything together for a smart, stylish look. No effort required. Want to keep it even simpler? Skip the pocket square. You will step out the door knowing you look effortlessly stylish. Looking sharp has never been this easy. Now, we have a blazer for those of you who want to step up their game. The double-breasted navy blazer. It might seem formal at first glance, but styling it casually is easier than you think. The key? Contrast. Here I've paired a dark double-breasted navy blazer with light wool trousers, creating that essential separation between jacket and pants. To keep it relaxed, I chose a textured Oxford button-down shirt. No tie needed. If you've never tried a double-breasted blazer before, I highly recommend it. I used to think they were too formal, but after wearing one, I started questioning whether I even needed single-breasted jackets anymore. It's that good. And trust me, the moment you slip into a double-breasted blazer, you feel the difference. It carries a presence and effortless sophistication that sets you apart. If you want to feel refined without trying too hard, this is the way to go. Again, this look could easily be dressed up with a tie, proving just how versatile a navy blazer really is. Now let's shift gears and make things a little more formal. I styled this blazer with a classic silk tie and a smart pinpoint Oxford shirt. A blue shirt and a navy blazer is one of the most elegant combinations. Clean, timeless, and effortlessly stylish. For trousers, I went with taupe wool fresco for warmer months, but flannel trousers would be perfect for colder weather. Quick note on buttons. Traditional navy blazers have brass or light mother-of-pearl buttons, but I personally prefer horn or black mother-of-pearl buttons. They still look refined, and they still make a good navy blazer. And honestly, dressing up like this just hits differently. There's something about wearing a tie with a blazer. It shifts your mindset. You stand taller, move with purpose, and carry yourself with quiet confidence. Try it and you will see exactly what I mean.